Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a sword animation with a cool trail effect in Roblox Studio. First, go to the Toolbox, search for Katana, and insert any Katana model you like. Next, go to Workspace, insert a tool, and drag the Katana mesh inside the tool. Rename the mesh to Handle. This is very important for tools to work properly. Now, we need to fix the grip. Open the Grip Editor plugin. If you don't have it yet, check the link in the description to install it. Adjust the sword position so it fits naturally in your character's hand. Click play, pick up the sword, and you'll notice it doesn't attack yet. That's because we haven't added animations. Go back to the toolbox and search for R15 sword animation. If you're using R6, search for R6 animations instead. I've included a guide in the description on how to switch rigs. Insert any animation asset you like. In my case, I'm using a best sword animation asset. It should spawn a dummy with animations. To preview animations, go to the Avatar tab, open the animation editor, and select the dummy. Press play to preview, and use the 3 dots to load and test different animations. Now we'll publish the animations. Load the first animation, click the 3 dots, and select Publish to Roblox. Copy the animation ID and save it somewhere. Repeat this for all animations. Next, select your tool, click the plus icon, and add a local script. Paste your script here.
You can find this code under video description.
And replace the animation IDs with the ones you just copied. Now, let's add the trail effect. Select the handle, click the plus icon, and add a trail. Trails need 2 attachments, so add 2 attachments and rename them to Attachment 0 and Attachment 1. Position Attachment 0 at the base of the blade and Attachment 1 at the tip. Select the trail, set the color to bright yellow, and assign Attachment 0 and Attachment 1 properly. Set lifetime to 0.25, min length to 0.1, and max length to 0.2. You can tweak these values to match your style. Now hit play again, pick up the sword, click to attack, and boom, you've got smooth animations with an awesome glowing trail. For an even cooler effect, set the clock time to around 17 or 18 for a darker environment, and increase the light emission to make the trail pop. And that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.